In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Trello board ID. We'll walk through the steps to retrieve this essential piece of information, which can be crucial for integrations, automations, or simply for your personal tracking needs. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, we'll need to log into Trello. Head over to trello.com using your preferred web browser and use your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your Trello workspace, displaying all your boards and activities. Now you want to locate and open the specific board for which you need the ID. This could be any board you own or have access to, so go ahead and click on the appropriate board to open it. With your board open, we're going to perform a quick little trick using your browser's address bar. Take a good look at the URL. It contains the basic web address for your board. All you need to do is append the text code JSON to the end of this URL. This action is going to transform the standard board view into a display of data that's formatted as JSON. Now, I know looking at JSON data might seem a bit daunting, especially if you're not familiar with coding or data structures. But don't worry, you don't need to understand everything at once. Focus on what you're specifically looking for, which is the line that contains the text ID. Once you locate this, you'll notice that it contains a string of letters and numbers, which is your Trello board ID. The next and final step is to copy this ID. It is enclosed in quotation marks following the ID text. Make sure you select and copy only the alphanumeric text within those quotation marks. This uniquely identifies your Trello board and is exactly what you came here to find. And there you have it, you've successfully retrieved your Trello board ID. This identifier can now be used for any further integration or customization you had in mind. Remember that working with JSON and URLs may take a little getting used to, but with practice, it becomes a valuable skill to have in your digital toolbox. Thanks for following along. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tips and guides. If you have any questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. Happy organizing, and I'll see you in the next video.